Good morning. Welcome to the Sunrise Nature Yoga. Let's begin together in child's pose. Sitting your hips back to your heels, walk your hands forward. Walking your fingertips forward and resting the weight of your body into the earth. Take deep breaths here. Breathe into your backside body, waking the body up. On your inhale, walk both fingertips over to the right, creating space on your left side. Breathe here. With your next inhale, walk fingertips over to the left, making space on your right side body. With each inhale, your ribs expand and feel your belly tone towards your spine with the exhale. On your next inhale, walk your fingertips back to center and begin pressing your hands into the ground, into your mat, to walk yourself all the way up to a kneeling position. From here, inhale, arms up, look up at the day. Bring your hands together and exhale to heart center. Bring an intention to your mind, to your heart, a way that you would like to feel throughout the day. Peaceful, patient, strong. And then inhale your arms up once more, generating this peaceful, strong energy. And bring your hands together once more, drawing that energy down to your heart. Last time, inhale your arms up, look up. This time, exhale, right hand to the back of your left thigh. Use your fingertips to steady you as like a kickstand behind. Take an inhale, brighten your chest. Exhale, squeeze your belly button to your spine. Inhale, both arms back up. With your exhale, twist the opposite direction. Left hand to the back of right thigh. Breathe here. You can turn your gaze down towards the earth or close your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up. And this time, reach outwardly with the heels of your hands. Let's interlock behind your lower back and just draw your knuckles down and chin down. Nice stretch here. Come onto your hands and knees. We'll do a couple cat-cows here. So inhale to arch your spine. And as you exhale, lower your belly towards the mat, drawing your chest and chin forward. This is cow. Inhale, cat. Undulate your spine into cow. Couple breaths. Move with your breath. Pause in neutral. Press into your left hand. Inhale, lift and walk underneath your left hand. Walk your left hand forward. Breathe into your lower belly here. You can do any shimmying that you'd like to feel a stretch. Take one more breath. Then walk your left hand under your left shoulder. Press into your mat. Reach up, coming out the way you came in. And return hand to mat. Press into your right hand. Inhale, lift your left hand up towards the sky. Exhale, loop it under your armpit and come down onto your left shoulder. Walk your right hand forward. Breathe here. You might notice how your breath naturally comes into your lower belly. When you're ready, walk your right hand underneath your shoulder, come out the way you came in, reach up to the sky, and return. Let's sit back to child's pose. Inhale up through cat, keeping an arched spine to neutral, and let's come onto your back. From here, cross your left foot over your right knee. Bend your left toes towards your left knee and isometrically open your left knee towards your right toe for an external hip rotation. If you'd like a little more, inhale and reach up, grab your right thigh or hamstring. You could also grab your shin. Rest back onto your shoulders and breathe steady. If you are unable to breathe steady, let's come back down and just be here with your breath. Full breath into your lower belly. Expand your ribs. Inflate your chest. And reverse with the exhale. Deflate your chest. Ribs return. Belly to spine. One more, just like that. Release your foot down and let's take the cross on the opposite side, right foot to left knee. And begin isometrically opening your right knee towards your left toe. So you can place a hand there for support, but we're not going to push. We don't need to stretch into a strain, just a little support stretch. Bend your right toes to your right knee. And again, if you'd like, you could take your hands behind your hamstring or your shin, resting your shoulders back. As long as you can keep a nice, smooth breath. Breathe here. Let's return foot to mat. Draw both knees towards your chest. Maybe do a little rocking around, a little back massage. And find stillness, and we'll take about 5 breaths here, gently into your lower belly. Inhale your forehead up to your knees and squeeze. Give yourself a hug. Like you haven't seen yourself in a while. Just squeeze. And then with your exhale, melt out, pour out into Shavasana. Spread your legs wide. You might pull the flesh of your buttocks to the side for a wider base. I'm going to recommend palms face down on the earth today. A little more grounding. Take a deep breath here and just settle, soften. We can create stillness through softening. Soften the corners of your eyes. Relax the muscles behind your eyes. Allow your jaw hinge to be loose and your tongue to lay flat at the bottom of your mouth. There's no need to control your breathing here, so allow your body to breathe you. And see if you can become the witness to your body breathing you. Just softly watching, perhaps the rise and fall of your lower belly. Let's wiggle fingers and toes. And roll to one side. Pausing here. And press yourself up to a seat as it feels ready for you. I hope this gentle practice has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'm getting eaten alive.